In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube or Vimeo link to your site in Squarespace. To make this quick and painless, have your video URL ready from YouTube or Vimeo. Public or unlisted videos generally embed without a problem, while private or restricted videos may not display. With that in mind, let's jump into the editor on the page where you want the video to appear. On the section of your page where the video should live, click Add Block. You'll usually find this by hovering until you see a plus icon or an add block button between existing blocks. This opens the block picker, which can feel a little crowded, so we'll filter it down right away. In the search field at the top of the block picker, start typing the word embed. This narrows the list to the embed block, which is the tool Squarespace provides for dropping in media from other platforms using a simple link. Select the embed block to place it onto your page. You'll see a placeholder appear with an edit option. Look for the small pencil icon or an edit button on the block. That's how you open the settings where the link goes. Click the pencil icon to open the embed editor. You'll see a field that accepts a URL. Now paste your YouTube or Vimeo link into that field. A standard share link works great. Avoid playlist links or links that require a login, as those can prevent previews from loading. After you paste, give Squarespace a moment. It will automatically detect the video and generate a live preview right inside the editor. When the thumbnail and player controls appear, you'll know the link has been recognized. If the preview doesn't load, double check that the link is complete and doesn't include extra characters from copied text. You can also try the platform's native share button to copy a clean URL. For Vimeo, make sure the video's privacy is set to allow embedding. For YouTube, unlisted is fine, but age-restricted or region-locked videos may not display. Once the preview shows, you're good to go. The video will be responsive by default, so it scales nicely on mobile and desktop. You can move the block within your layout, just like any other block, and use spacing or alignment controls in your section to fine-tune the presentation. If you want to change the video later, just return to the block, click the pencil icon again, and paste a new link. And that's it. You added a YouTube or Vimeo link to your Squarespace site using the embed block, the edit pencil, and a simple paste.